Welcome to the assembly video of feeding chair manufactured by Panda Baby Products. Box includes seat, tray, seat cover, feet, level 1 legs, cloth basket, level 2 legs. First flip the seat and put the level 1 legs as shown in the video. Now put the level 2 legs as shown, clip it firmly for steady build. Now feet as mentioned are put on both right side legs. Now feet as mentioned, L, put on both left side legs. Now take the cloth basket and clip that on as shown in the video. Take the seat cover and put it over the seat and fix it by passing the seat cover belt clip from seat given holes, see as demonstrated in video. Now take the tray and fix it into its places as shown. Now this feeding high chair is ready for you, baby. To convert this high chair into mini chair, follow the steps. Remove the feet. Remove cloth basket. Remove level 2 of legs and connector. Now put the feet on same as before. Feet as mentioned are put on both right side legs. Now feet as mentioned, L, put on both left side legs. Now this feeding mini chair is ready for your baby.